Hey, Mentor Roland. What's this season's Game of Apps competition theme?
Hi, Mini Roland. It's equity.
You mean like stocks and stuff?
No, like how people should have the same freedoms and opportunities regardless of their race, gender, background, or other inherent features.
Ooh, that's a tough one. But how does that relate to building apps?
Well, at Game of Apps, we teach not just design and development, but also solving problems using critical thinking, innovation, empathy, problem solving, and other important life skills.
I see. But how would I even begin to tackle such a big issue?
To help facilitate this, we've invited 3 distinguished guests to participate in our The Big Problem series of talks. The first one is on gender inequities and women in technology. MLA Brenda Bailey, who is our province's Parliamentary Secretary for Technology and Innovation, will be talking about her experiences having worked here in the BC tech industry and also having started 2 local tech startups. The second is on racial and Indigenous inequities. Danilo Caron, an Indigenous engineer, will be talking about the issues faced by Indigenous communities both here in BC and in Canada. And the third talk is on wealth inequities. Michael Atkinson, Senior VP of Wealth at GNF Financial, will be talking about issues faced by people trying to achieve financial independence and financial stability.
That sounds very eye-opening and potentially life-changing. I hope everyone here gets a chance to join the live stream. Bye-bye!